In a sunlit meadow, a curious little fox named Luma explains how seeds wake up and become tiny plants. Luma invites kids to plant a pretend seed in their palm and count 5 slow breaths as it grows. Next, a friendly rain cloud teaches about water, asking viewers to sprinkle pretend droplets and watch a leaf gleam. The trio then explores sound by listening to birds and clapping softly to match the rhythm, inviting youngsters to guess the beats. Finally, they promise to water, rest, and observe every day, turning learning into a cozy daily adventure.